Want to make an extra $1,000 a week without quitting your job? You've probably heard the usual stuff like Uber or surveys. Forget all that. In this video, I'm revealing 5 side hustles you've probably never tried, but that people are using to earn $1,000 a week or more. And hey, make sure you stick around until number 3. It's scalable, passive, and barely anyone is talking about it. Number 1. Selling digital templates on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad is one of the most accessible and scalable ways to earn passive income online. Imagine waking up in the morning to find that you've made money overnight, all because people around the world are buying your digital products while you sleep. The beauty of this business model is that you create a product once and it can be sold an unlimited number of times, with no inventory, shipping, or customer service headaches. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a bit of creativity. You don't need to be a professional designer or have years of experience. The key is to identify a problem people face and create a simple solution in the form of a template. Maybe you notice that small business owners struggle to organize their social media posts, or that job seekers need eye-catching resumes. Your goal is to make their lives easier with a ready-to-use digital file. There are endless possibilities for what you can create. Think about digital budget planners that help people manage their finances, social media calendars for content creators, resume templates for job hunters, or wedding checklists for busy brides and grooms. You could even make meal planners, fitness trackers, classroom resources for teachers, or digital art prints. The demand for these products is huge, and new trends pop up all the time. The best part? You don't need expensive software or advanced skills. Free tools like Canva make it incredibly easy to design beautiful, professional-looking templates. Once you've created your product, simply upload it to your chosen marketplace, set your price, and let the platform handle the rest. Your digital files are delivered automatically to customers, so you can literally make sales in your sleep. There are real success stories out there. For example, one seller made over $100,000 just by selling printable planners. They never had to pack a box, print a label, or make a trip to the post office. Their entire business runs from their laptop, and their products keep selling day and night all over the world. Let's break down the numbers. Suppose you create a digital product and price it at $10. That's a price point that's affordable for most people, but still adds up quickly for you as the seller. To make $1,000 a week, you'd only need to sell 100 copies. That might sound like a lot, but when you consider the global reach of online marketplaces, it's absolutely achievable. That breaks down to about 15 sales per day. With the right marketing strategies, this is a realistic goal, even for beginners. The secret to getting consistent sales is visibility. Focus on optimizing your product listings with strong keywords for search engines, and drive traffic using platforms like Pinterest, which is a goldmine for digital product sellers. With good SEO and a steady stream of Pinterest visitors, you can reach thousands of potential buyers every month. Here's a mini tip. If you're stuck for ideas or need help writing product descriptions, use ChatGPT or other AI tools to brainstorm content, generate catchy titles, or even create copy for your templates. This can save you hours and help you stand out in a crowded marketplace. So, if you're looking for a low-risk, high-reward side hustle, selling digital templates could be your ticket to earning passive income while you sleep. Number 2. Start a lead generation side hustle. If you're looking for a business model that's both scalable and genuinely helpful to your community, this is it. Lead generation is all about connecting local businesses with new customers, and you can do it from anywhere, even your kitchen table or a coffee shop. Imagine being the bridge between people searching for services and the businesses eager to serve them. It's a win-win, and you get paid for every connection you make. Local businesses, think plumbers, dentists, realtors, landscapers, and even dog groomers, are always on the hunt for new clients. Many of these business owners are amazing at what they do, but they struggle with marketing or don't have time to chase down leads. That's where you come in. By helping them get more phone calls, appointments, or quote requests, you're providing real value that can transform their business. Here's how it works. You build a simple one-page website focused on a specific service, like emergency plumbing in your city, and make sure it shows up when people search on Google. Or, you can run targeted Facebook ads that reach people who need those services right now. When someone fills out a form or calls the number on your site, you forward that lead directly to a local business owner. It's fast, efficient, And you don't need to be a tech genius to get started. The best part? You get paid for every lead you send, or you can set up a monthly retainer for a steady income. Some businesses will pay $20, $50, or even $100 per qualified lead, depending on the industry. Others prefer a flat monthly fee for a set number of leads. This means your income can grow quickly as you add more clients or expand into new niches. Let's do the math. Just 5 clients paying you $200 a week each adds up to $1,000 a week or $4,000 a month, and that's just the beginning. As you get better at generating leads, you can increase your rates or take on more clients. Many lead generators scale up to 6 figures a year, all from their laptop. Worried about building websites? Don't be. Free tools like Card, Google Sites, or Wix make it easy to create professional-looking pages in minutes. You don't need to know how to code or design, just pick a template, add your business info, and you're ready to go. There are even step-by-step tutorials online to guide you through the process, and when it comes to writing content for your site, AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can generate headlines, service descriptions, and even blog posts for you. This means you can launch new lead generation sites quickly without getting stuck on what to write. The technology does the heavy lifting, so you can focus on finding clients and growing your income. Here's a bonus tip. Use Google Trends to spot which services are in high demand in your area, or join local Facebook groups to see what people are asking for. This research helps you target the right niches and approach businesses that are most likely to need your help. The more in demand the service, the easier it is to generate leads and land paying clients. Lead generation isn't just a side hustle, it's a way to make a real impact in your community while building a business you can be proud of. Number 3. Become a mobile notary signing agent. If you're looking for a side hustle that pays well, offers flexibility, and doesn't require years of schooling, this could be the perfect fit. Mobile notary signing agents are in high demand, especially as more people buy homes, refinance, or need legal documents notarized outside of traditional business hours. Unlike many side gigs, this one has relatively low competition, since not everyone is willing to get certified and travel to clients. This is one of the highest-paying, low-competition side hustles out there. As a mobile notary signing agent, you're not just stamping papers, you're providing a crucial service that people are willing to pay a premium for. Many clients are relieved to find someone who can come to their home or office, saving them time and hassle. The best part? You set your own schedule and decide how many appointments you want to take each week. After getting certified in your state, which usually involves a background check, a short training course, and a notary exam, you'll be able to help people sign real estate and legal documents. Most of your work will involve witnessing signatures on mortgage closings, loan documents, and other important paperwork. You'll also be responsible for verifying identities and making sure everything is done by the book, which gives your clients peace of mind. Appointments typically take about 30 to 60 minutes, depending on the complexity of the documents and the number of signers. For each signing, you can make anywhere from $75 to $150, sometimes even more for last-minute or after-hours requests. That means you could earn a full day's pay in just an hour or two, all while helping people with important life events. If you do 10 signings a week, you're easily over $1,000 in extra income. Some agents even turn this into a full-time business, especially in busy real estate markets. The more you network and build relationships with local professionals, the more opportunities you'll find. Plus, your expenses are low, mainly just your notary supplies, travel, and certification fees. You can find gigs through sites like SnapDocs, Notary Rotary, and signingagent.com, or even list yourself on Google and other business directories. Many notaries also get repeat business from real estate agents, title companies, and law offices. Building a simple website or social media page can help you stand out and attract more clients. No law degree required, just a notary license, a professional attitude, and a willingness to help people. You'll need to be organized, detail-oriented, and comfortable meeting new people. If you enjoy working independently and want to make a real difference in your community, this is a fantastic option. Quick tip: target real estate offices and mortgage brokers in your area. They need signing agents every week, and building relationships with them can lead to steady, reliable work. With a little effort, you can turn this side hustle into a lucrative and rewarding business. Number 4. Create and sell a mini course in a micro niche. You don't need to be a guru, just be one step ahead of someone else. Courses like How to Start a Home Candle Business or Mastering Google Sheets are making serious money, especially when priced at $29 to $99. Use Gumroad, Teachable, or even a private Discord server to host your course. Promote through TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Reddit. Mini tip: use ChatGPT to help you outline your course in under an hour. Number 5, run a faceless YouTube automation channel. Yes, just like this one. You don't need to show your face or use your voice. Pick a niche: finance, travel, tech, mystery, and script videos with AI, voice them with tools like 11 Labs or Well Said Labs, and use stock footage or animations. Once monetized, these channels can earn through AdSense, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Even a small channel with just 50,000 views a week can earn over $1,000. Smart tip: outsource editing to freelancers while you scale up more channels. You don't need to wait months to earn an extra $1,000 a week. These side hustles can get you there fast, and many grow into full-time income. So which one will you start this week? Drop it in the comments. And if you want a deep dive tutorial on any of these, hit that like button and subscribe. You won't want to miss what's coming next.